Do you need a new battery replacement for your Dyson vacuum cleaner, but you don't want to pay Dyson prices? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and today we're going to be looking at battery replacements for a Dyson vacuum cleaner. So this is my Dyson V7 vacuum cleaner. It's a couple of years old now and it's now got the blue light of death, which basically means the battery is dead. And if you know about these Dyson vacuum cleaners, you'll know that the battery replacement cost is extortionate. For this one right here, it is $150 Australian. However, there are some really good alternatives. And if you would have seen any of my other videos, you will have seen that I really support a brand called Battery Factory Outlet, and they have sent me a new battery for this device. Now this battery is not only the same as the one, it's actually 3 times the power. So the one that comes with the Dyson is 2,100 milliamp hours, whereas the one that they've sent me is 6,400 milliamp hours. So that's almost triple the power, or actually just over triple the power. So really excited to get this on, and really excited to get this vacuum cleaner back working. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace it on the bench. And I'll just show you how to do it. It's super simple, just 3 screws, and then we'll give it a quick test. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you how much cheaper the Battery Factory Outlet battery actually is. Right, now you are gonna need a tool to do this. You're gonna need a number 1 or 2 Phillips screwdriver, something that every household should have. Now I'm gonna dismantle this fully, which is super easy to do, but you may not need to actually take your one off. So you just hold that clip in at the bottom, that allows you to get that one off. And then we can actually take this one off like that as well, which leaves us just with the vacuum cleaner device there without the filter and box on. And now we've actually got 2 screws underneath. So we've just got one here. Just gonna go ahead and take these all the way out. And one up here. And then there is one slightly hidden on the handle as well. There's one just at the back there. This actually holds the battery on as well. And that allows you to just slide the old battery out. And just as I said, you can see the spec on the back there. You can see that this is 21.6 volts and it's 2100 milliamp hours, 46 watt hours. Now let's take a look at the new battery from Battery Factory Outlet. So it doesn't come in any fancy packaging at all, just some bubble wrap and a plain box. It does come with an operator's manual, which basically tells you the storage conditions. Don't store it too hot or too cold. So let's just line them up next to each other. Now, physically, they are the exact same size and they're basically the same color as well. And as you can see, it's still got an LED indicator on the side like the old one did. We've got our charge port on the front. We've got our activator button there and there. And the screw points are in the exact same spacing as well. So we know that it's gonna fit straight onto our vacuum cleaner. Now we're just gonna quickly weigh them. I've got my trusty scales here set to grams. So the original Dyson battery is 414 grams, and the new Battery Factory Outlet one is actually 378 grams. So although it's 3 times the power, it's actually lighter than the original, but it still feels really strong, just like the original one. Just to look on the bottom of it here, so we have got the brand there. It does say Power Tools battery. It's 21.6 volts, which is the same as the original. And there it says 6.4 amp hours, which gives us our 6,400 milliamp hours. And then we've got 138.24 watt hours. So like I said earlier, this is about 3 times the power of this one. Now to install our new Battery Factory Outlet battery, you're just going to slide it into the handle like you would with the other one. You're going to rotate it over and get all of the screws into position. So just remembering you've got 2 on the bottom and you've got 1 on the back of the handle. Now we can go ahead and put the rest of the bits back on. And give it a test. And that's our new battery installed. It's as easy as that. Now I actually haven't charged this from receiving it, so I'm going to go ahead and charge this. Now I'm going to wait 1 week before I finish up this video, just so that I've tested it, so I know it's working really well. So I'm going to go ahead, charge it now, and I'll come back to you in 1 week. And we're back now with the Dyson vacuum cleaner with the replacement battery about 1 week down the line. And we've been using this vacuum almost every day. And it's just running like new again. The battery's been lasting really well. So let's get down to business. How much cheaper is the Battery Factory Outlet battery against the Dyson replacement? The Dyson replacement is $150 Australian. And this battery factory outlet replacement, which is 3 times the power, is actually 1/3 of the cost. This is $58 versus $150 for the Dyson replacement. So I think this is a really good move to go to one of these batteries. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you did find this video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.